Hello everyone, this is Cairo Magutu of Chania Finance Consultancy. I want to make a demonstration of a simple model that is derived using advanced Excel. On your screen, you can clearly see a loan repayment schedule, and I want to explain this schedule. From this point, we have the amount borrowed, and the amount is in Tanzania shillings. If you can look at this cell, it is written Tanzania shillings. So let me change this amount and maybe put 100 million. Let me give it 100 million instead, 100 million Tanzania shillings. Now, from what you see here, it is 100 million Tanzania shillings. Over a repayment period, I can put 4 years, or that when I put 4 years, it will give me a period of 48 months. If I put it back to 5 years, it gives me a repayment period of 60 months. Then you have the interest rates, that is the interest rate per annum and the interest rate per month. Now, these are the months from the very first month, that is January 2025, down all the way to the last month, which is December 2029. That is the end of the fifth month. Now, that is a clear repayment schedule, and one thing you will agree with me that at the very end, the whole amount will have been repaid. If you look at it, the installments are constant, the principals are changing, the interest is equally changing per month. Now, that is the simple understanding of a loan repayment schedule. But that is not what I wanted, because we could be in a position to do that. I wanted to give an analytical perspective of a loan repayment schedule using advanced Excel. Now, when you look at this, it is given in Tanzania shillings, but I can show it in a different currency without preparing a different repayment schedule. In this case, when you look at this column G, there are 3 buttons here. The first button is Tanzania shillings, the second button is US dollar, the third button is Kenya shillings. If I want to display this loan repayment schedule in US dollar, I just click the dollar button and my repayment schedule will appear in US dollar. So that makes it very easy to navigate from a currency to another currency. If I want to show it in Tanzania shillings, in Kenya shillings, I just click the Kenya shillings button and I'll be able to display it in Kenya shillings. So I'm able to navigate from Tanzania shillings to dollar, then to Kenya shillings. If I want again to get back to the Tanzania shillings, I click Tanzania shillings and it will give me the schedule in Tanzania shillings. That is one point that I needed to explain on this model. The second thing I wanted to demonstrate is the demonstration of the different loan products that this financial institution could be having. When you look at this, I have the loan product. There is salary loan, there is mortgage, there is business loan, and there is the emergency loan. You don't need to prepare different schedule. Suppose this person wants to borrow Kenya shillings, I click Kenya shillings there, and it gives me the schedule, but now I need to show it Tanzania shillings, but for different loan products. Let me look at a loan product which is the salary. I will come here and select the code number 1, which is for the salary loan. You will note that there are changes that have happened on the interest, principal, and installment. The other thing you will notice that this rate has changed to 18%. Let me go to another product. Let me take, for example, the business loan, which is code number 3. I click number 3. You will note that the interest rate has changed to 15% and 1.25%, and my schedule has changed. So the second item that I wanted to explain in this analysis is the different products without changing or without preparing different loan repayment schedule. If I need the if I need the mortgage, I will just come here and select code number 2. That will give me the mortgage schedule, the loan repayment schedule for the mortgage. And that is an analytical tool that you get in advanced Excel. The third item that I need to explain is that if I want to display my loan repayment schedule, if you look at this one, this is January 2025. I can go to the end up to December 2029. But now I can demonstrate it in a different way. Suppose I only want to show here the 2028 schedule. I'll come select this year. I unselect all. I select year, let me say 2028 only. Then I click OK. It will give me the schedule for 2028 only. Look at down here, we don't have anything else. It has only from January 2028 to December 2028. If I want to extract the 2025 only, I will come here and select I unselect all. I unselect all, then I select 2025. I'll say okay. This one will give me the loan repayment schedule for 2025 only, the first month to the 12th month. Note that after that, we don't have anything else. But if I want to show the whole schedule, I will come here, then and select all. It will give me all the years. I say okay. If you look at it, it has given me a long repayment schedule all the way to the very last day, which is the 12th month of the 5th year from the first month, which was January 2025. Then I can click Control Home to get back home. Now, this is an analytical tool that you need to understand if you are in finance or you are working in a financial institution. It makes the work very easy in the analysis. Now, how do we get to this? To get this course, I would advise you to go to the Chania Finance Consultancy website. Go to the Chania Finance Consultancy, open a new tab, type here Chania Finance Consultancy, then you enter. It will open the website for the Chania Finance Consultancy. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, come to the course categories, open the ICT and data analysis. In the ICT and data analysis, this is where you will see the courses, the different courses. Let me say that you are interested in advanced Excel for finance managers, auditors, and accountants. You open Read More. In this Read More, you will find the course. This is the course. These are the charges for the course. It tells you that the course duration is 5 days. You can have it as online. You can have it as an on-site course. Now you come here and click the course content. This is all that you will cover. This will help you a lot in understanding the data analysis using advanced Excel. In this one, you will learn other different modules. Like if you look at this module 2, advanced filtering and sorting, Excel tables and structuring references. You go to that, you will see the lookup and the reference functions, very powerful tools. You have the financial functions. All this will help you a lot in the analysis. You will do the pivot tables and dashboards, very powerful tools. We have the pivot charts and dashboards. We have the Power Query and data analysis. You see, these are very, very powerful tools that can help you in analysis. We got the advanced data analysis and Power Query. The next one is automation with macros and the VBA. Again, very powerful tools in analysis. All these are the tools that we have for the purpose of helping you in understanding advanced Excel, and this can be used in all financial institutions, in all organizations by professionals in finance and accounting departments. Now, once you've done that, you will come here and select date slots. There are different dates in which you can have this course. You will select one of the courses, one of the dates, the one that you are comfortable with. Then you will come here and register. Click on the register. Then once you've selected the register, fill all these details about yourself. Once you have filled all these details, you will click the last button, which is register. The data will be submitted to the website of Chania Finance Consultancy, where it can only be accessed by the management. You will also receive an email on your end, and also another email will be sent to the Chania Finance Consultancy official email so that they can start engaging you. Then from there, you will agree on taking the course, and that will help you a lot in your data analysis. You will learn how to go about a model like this one and some other very complicated models that can help you a lot in your day-to-day operation as a person working in financial institution or as a person working in finance department and accounting department as well. So I want to welcome you for this, hoping to meet you in the next training where we'll be looking at advanced Excel and data analysis for the persons in financial institution and those working in finance and accounting department. Thank you so much. Waiting to see you.